Hello and welcome back to this channel where I solve mathematical problems. Here we are given 48 to the x minus 12 to the x is equal to 24 to the x, and we are asked to solve for x. I love problems like this because it asks to make sure you actually think. All right? And we have to use some mathematical ingenuity and some mathematical manipulations. Let's get started. First we're going to do is divide everything by 12. Let's divide by 12 to the x. We get 48 x divided by 12 to the x minus 12 to the x divided by 12 to the x is equals to 24 to the x divided by 12 to the x. Let's simplify that. There's a once, there goes 4 times. Once, 2 times. So we get 4 to the x minus 1 is equals to 2 to the x. All right, so let's work with this one more time. Let's say 4 to the x minus 2 to the x minus 1 is equals to 0. We know that 4 is equals to 2 squared. So let's go and say 2 to the 2 to the x minus 2 to the x minus 1 is equals to 0. Using the law of indices, we are a to the m to the n is equals to a to the n m. We can switch this around to 2 to the x squared minus 2 to the x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now let's y equals to 2 to the x. We get y squared minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Using the quadratic equation, where ay squared plus by plus c is equals to 0. And we have y squared minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. We know that a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 1, and c is equals to minus 1. We can move and say that y is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And what we have is y is equals to b is minus 1, so that is 1 plus or minus the square root of b is minus 1 squared is 1 minus, and we have 4ac, c is minus 1, 4 that is minus 4, so that's plus 4 all over 2. Let's take this and move over here where we have y is equals to 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 4 all over 2. So there's y is equals to 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 all over 2. Let's recall that y is equals to 2 to the x. Therefore, we have 2 terms. We have y1 is equals to 2 to the x, which is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And the next term you have is y2 is equals to 2 to the x, which is equals to 1 minus square root of 5 all over 2. Okay, so we know that 2 to the x is always going to be positive, and this is positive, so that is good. We know that 2 to the x is going to be positive, but this number always going to be negative, so we say we can't have a positive and negative to be equal, so that's no good. So we go on. So let's concentrate on this part of the solution. Okay, so we know that we are not done because we still have to solve for x, right? So let's take log on both sides. So like log of 2x is equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. From the law of logarithm, we know that log a to the b is equals to b log a. So we know a is 2, b is x, so we say x log of 2 is equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 on 2. Now, let's divide both sides by log of 2. We get x log of 2 divided by log of 2 is equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 divided by log of 2. This cancels out, so we know that x is equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 divided by log of 2. I think we can simplify that even further. Looking at this term, we see using the logarithm principle as log a over b is equals to log a minus log b. We expand this to x is equals to log 1 plus square root of 5 over log 2 minus log 2 over log 2. That becomes 1, and that now becomes x equals to log 1 plus square root of 5 over log of 2 minus 1. From this term, we use the log principle as log a over log b, which is equals to log b to a. We now get x is equals to b is 2, so we have log 2 1 plus square root of 5 minus 1. So this is your value for x. This solution was a longer one and more thought-provoking, but if you enjoy this kind of content and this kind of solution, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment, and obviously, let's keep solving more math problems. Thank you.